Are you keeping your checklists in Excel or on paper? We can make this easier for you by converting your checklist to FieldBuddy's advanced checklists. Let me show how an advanced checklist looks in FieldBuddy. When you tab on items in the menu bar, you can see that a checklist is added to the work order. This can be added by either the technician or the back office. You can use the following buttons to indicate the status of each question. By swiping to the right, you can add pictures and comments to a certain question. This way, the customer and back office will be up to date about each question. Upload more pictures to give a better indication. No problem. You can add multiple pictures and comments to it. Checklists can be fully adjusted to your business processes. You can decide which questions, answer options, and filters are visible. The technician and back office can view the status of the checklist. You can see that this checklist is completed. You can make this checklist automatically part of a file, customer portal, or report if necessary. For questions or further information, please get in touch with us.